Hey guys, this is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and I'm so excited about today's home tour. We are back at the heart of Sahuarita, Arizona, and this is the gated community of Stone House, and this is an absolutely lovely community. You have some of the most beautiful homes with some of the most gorgeous views of the Santa Rita Mountains that you won't find anywhere else in this community. Now, this home we're about to take a look at, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,800 square feet of just beauty, sitting on almost an acre lot, overseeing the Santa Rita Mountains with a beautiful pool right outside. I can just see myself relaxing there with the family. This is a home you really don't want to miss. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome again. My name is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things real estate. So whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, I am happy to help you through the process. Wherever you are in the process, feel free to reach out. You can call me, text me, email me, drop a comment down below. Let's connect face to face and see where you're at and how I can best assist you. Now, if you're from another state or maybe just another city in Arizona and you want a relocation guide, I have a relocation guide that I have been able to edit to my taste. And what that means is I'm putting some of the best attractions, some of the best hospitals, some of the best places to visit with the kids, by yourself, wineries, everything that I have already experienced. So if you want to take a look at that relocation guide, drop a comment down below, just say relocation guide, and I can go ahead and send that over to you. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and get started. This home we're about to tour has a spectacular view to the Santa Rita Mountains. The outdoor space has an amazing fire pit area, a pool overseeing the mountains, sitting on about an acre lot. You're welcomed by these beautiful wooden doors where you'll then see a flex room to the left and a built-in bookcase shelf that covers the whole wall to the right. I mean, the living room also warms you with this beautiful gas fireplace and these large windows, so you have views in every room you go. You have 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 2,894 square feet, a pool, and not to mention owned solar panels. This home was constructed in 2021 with only one owner. This home is move-in ready and ready for you to start your life in Arizona. The community of Stonehouse is one of the most sought out communities in southern Arizona, so contact me today for a private showing. Now, other than that, let's continue the tour and welcome to your new home. much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.